2019 Dodge Ram Power Wagon 6.4 liter Hemi. Right there. You guys can see it. What we did on it is something special, something different that we usually don't do. So I got the stock kettle converters right there. And right there. Then it's wide into a 3.5-3-inch pipe. Then we put a 3-inch glass pack on it, 12-inch body, and 3-inch tailpipe all the way back into another resonator that comes factory with it. He does a lot of towing, so he said he didn't want that one cut off. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a minute. There she is. 2020 Hemi 6.4 liter V8 beast of a 2500 Ram. Here's a big one. Here's a big one. We're gonna let you guys hear it and see it. Look at this truck. Look at this truck. It's just massive. Anyways, so I got stock converters there. Then a second converter there. Got a less than 1,000 miles on it. 3.5-inch pipe. And we put a DYNOMAX race bullet 24-250 right there. Continued it with 3-inch pipe out the back, and then and it continues the tailpipe 3.5 all the way back. We left the resonator on it. The stock one, he didn't want it too loud, and they're known to drone. So when you leave the resonator, it helps it drone, cut down on the drone a little bit. And then we put a massive 6-inch tip, because you know, why not? It looks good on it. There's the massive muffler. You guys can see it's huge. It's like 5 handfuls. We just cut it off because we don't like it quiet. We like it. And this is the midnight edition. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Dodge Ram Power Wagon. Yeah, single. Dodge Ram Power Wagon 6.4 liter. Much better. Give it gas. Oh, yeah. Again. Sound decibels. Again. It's right at 110. Do you want to keep the old muffler? No. That sounds really good. It's deep. And then that DYNOMAX, in about a month, it breaks in and gets a little bit deeper. Oh, it looks so good. It's huge. I think, guys, what do you guys think? Should I get a truck like this one? Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about it. Should I get the Ram 2500 or the AT4? Please let me know. Oh, that sounds so sick. Let you guys hear on the
inside the Dodge Power Wagon. I'll let you guys hear it. This is a beautiful truck.
There's the running a Gladiator. We just finished, and then we just did this Power Wagon. Got a distinctive sound. Yeah, I don't know what to call them. They can't do anything on private property. Oh, does it? Nice truck. I'm definitely thinking about getting this one. Oh, it sounds so sick. Can't beat that 6.4, man. That 6.4 is just deep. Listen to that.